Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how criminals steal SIM cards remotely and the simple steps that you can take right now in order to protect your number, the bank accounts and personal data. So first of all, you need to understand what SIM swapping is. So scammers don't need your phone. They just collect your personal information from your social media, fake calls or leaked data, then contact your mobile providers pretending to be you. So once they convinced the support, your SIM gets transferred to their phone and they receive your OTPs, the calls and the bank codes. Now here is how you can stop it. So first of all, you need to basically come inside the settings. Here in the settings, you just have to basically look for the option of the SIM card. You can just simply use the search bar here on the top. Then you can search for SIM. So here inside the SIM, you are going to see the option of SIM pin. So you can use the SIM pin. So whenever someone wants to change the information relating to the SIM, they will have to confirm the code or they will have to give the password. So with this particular method, scammers won't be able to transfer your number even if they have your details. The second thing that you can do is you can just simply lock down your personal information online, remove your phone number from the public profiles, Facebook bios, business pages and your old websites. So the less info criminals find, the safer you are. The next step that you can take is you can just simply stop sharing the OTPs or verification codes. The banks or the telecom companies never ask for OTPs on calls or messages. So if someone is asking you for this, it's a scam. So the next thing that you can do is you can just simply turn on the bank alerts or the transaction limits on your phone. So this way you will get instant notifications if something happens and you will be able to block the activity quickly with this way. Now, if your phone shows no service without any reason, you can contact your mobile provider immediately. So this is often the first sign of the SIM swapping. So these are some of the steps that block almost all the SIM theft attempts. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.